This is as far as we go. Keller, you and your men follow the river to the shoreline beneath the radar installation. Me and Anderson will cut off any support that might crash the party. We'll rendezvous there.
Will do. Good hunting.
Что за фигня?
Clear, let's go. Hold, weapons cold. Contact one soldier. 3, 2 on my mark. 1, mark. Good. The guy in the shed's on the wiser. It's his turn. The hell's he doing? Cole, check your thermal. Okay, let's move. Careful.
Got any intel on how secure that radar is?
Scarce. It's been blocking our view quite effectively. That's why we need to take it down. Otherwise, our exfil's gonna turn into Operation Shitstorm once we hit that hotel. Now here's to the right.
Угадай. Кого
Looks like they're
завели на
alone.
базу отдыха?
Let's sync up. Right one's mine. Get ready.
Яблочко.
3,
Завтра я покидаю
2.
эту несчастную дыру.
Stop!
Сам об этом попросил. Ты кретин.
Fuck, that was close.
Смотри в оба.
There's too many. We need to dodge them. Move on my go, but keep your head down. Follow me.
Тебе нужно привыкать все время врать, если хочешь нормальной жизни на той базе. Я просто пытаюсь подготовить тебя к реальности.
Ты хочешь сменить место службы? Вот черт.
Все равно хочешь перевести?
Думаешь, уже нельзя сказать?
What do you think?
Вот дерьмо.
They're coming this way. Stay still.
Недавно я получил сообщение по рации. Где-то у нас работает снайпер.
От кого информация?
Информация лично от кучки трупов с дырками от пуль. Кажется, работает снайпер и штурмовая группа.
Думаешь, они движутся сюда?
Это сказал американец. Он что-то знает, но нам не говорит.
You hear that? What American are they talking about?
I haven't the faintest idea, but let's worry about that later. We've got bigger fish to fry. Okay, let's move. Careful.
Скорее всего, нет. Босс отдал какой-то новый приказ, и теперь все носятся как ужаленные. Что-то явно происходит.
Передаю приказ.
Голову не высовывайте. Видите или слышите что-то подозрительное, сразу сообщайте. Передайте остальным. Проверки каждые 10 минут.
Engine, get down. Let them pass.
Нас подразделение ненадолго отправили в Нигерию. Да, это было приятно.
Anderson, follow my lead. Stay low. Get the nearest one. Leave the other to me. Let's have a look. Multiples around that central strip of land. We gotta play this out carefully. Stand by. I'll call out your shots.
Ready.
Heads up. Tango advancing in our direction. Take the... Belay that. Boats in our vicinity. No shot.
God damn it.
Yeah, I know. Let's wait him out.
Что случилось? Почему ты тут остановился?
Чертов двигатель заглох. Ржавый ненужный кусок дерьма.
Может, бензин кончился? Подожди-ка. Пойду посмотрю, может, в кузове есть.
Shit, stay calm. Don't shoot yet.
Эй, стой! Заработал!
Что? Все равно надо проверить. Садись поудобнее.
That was close. Boat's clear. Shoot his brains out before he gets back. Okay, guy on the pier's alone. Weapons free. One Tango by the campfire's mobile. Let's see where he's off to. Clear. Take the shot. On the left. Let's take him. Same time. Good work. Come on. Razor 3-1. Give me a sit rep.
This is 3-1. Encountering minimum resistance throughout the West River Bank. Our ETA at the rendezvous is on target, over.
Copy that 3-1. Steady as she goes, Keller.
Hoorah!
Stay low. Stop. Those two on the ledge won't let us slip by unnoticed. Target the Tango on the right. I'll eliminate the other. Follow me. Hold your fire. Let's wait. Under the pier. Stay low.
Ты еще работаешь со своим скупщиком? С парнем из Сингапура.
Ну да, только что сбагривал
Don't
парня.
engage.
Роликс?
Поможешь с ним связаться? У меня набралось прилично драгоценностей с наших заложников.
Okay, let's
В
move.
основном золото.
Careful.
Но есть парочку камней. И еще часы.
Конечно же я вас свяжу. Даешь мне половину и дело в шляпе.
Очень смешно.
Я серьезно.
Ты хочешь половину только за то,
Turn
что
left.
нас свяжешь? Твою мать, ты серьезно?
Эй, придурок, посмотри вокруг. Ты на чертовом вонючем острове. И тут некому сбывать вещи.
I hear something.
Сбыть свои драгоценности, работай
Боже
через
мой,
меня.
ты похож
А
на
я беру
зомби. В
половину.
зеркало смотрелся? Когда ты превратился в такого жадного ублюдка?
Это нормально. Я двое суток не спал.
А что случилось?
Okay, let's move.
Что не случилось?
Careful.
Заменял этого ленивого засранца Дмитрия. Его уже 2 дня в лазарете держат. В городе тебе больше нет к кому обратиться. Ну а пока вали отсюда.
Enemy forward. Take him out quietly. Roger.
Ты что, думаешь, что босс оставит его?
Это очень хреново. Говорю, у нас не богадельня.
The hell is that?
Civilian sports plane, very old design. Looks unstable. Oh shit! Let's finish this quick and pack up. Let's have a look. Weapons cold for now. This ain't gonna be easy.
It never is.
Camp's right side is a no-go. Too much exposure in the water, we'd get shredded to pieces. Left, however, is a different story. I think we can thin them out if we play our cards right. Shoot on my command, we need to be very precise here.
Deal 'em.
First things first, check the two on the sandbank fixing the boat. Take out the one by the engine first. Now, Sniper in the highest house, he's #1 priority. Eyes on left side. One guy's circling that building like a vulture. Wait till he ducks behind the left wall. 2 soldiers idling about the house. See them?
I see him.
Shoot that radio in the niche right side of the house. Should distract them. Get them now.
Kill confirmed.
Think we just wore out our welcome! God damn it, hold on to something!
Jesus.
Come on, we need to disappear. They're gonna investigate. Leave it alone. We need to stay hidden.
Этот старый кусок металлолома наконец упал с утеса. В квадрате чисто.
Come on.
Two hostiles lined up favorably for a double kill.
Be discreet.
Там кто-то есть.
Good shooting. Okay, let's move. Careful. We'll need a diversion to break through to the beach. Let's plant C4 in the house. The distraction should make a gap in their defenses.
Roger. Okay, charges are set.
Okay, let's move. We'll blow the charges when we got some distance. Hold. Go. Through here.
Эй, смотри в оба.
Я и так смотрю.
Не пари ничу. Ты слышал, что они сказали? Про то, что там снайпер.
Нет, я стою вторую смену подряд. А еще у нас строгий порядок переговоров. Какой еще снайпер? Да, сэр.
Hold.
Ты на кого ставишь? Американцы? Австралийцы?
Сам у них и спросишь. А лучше сразу башку им снеси.
Go.
И сколько всего противников по оценкам?
Сложно сказать. Если те посты
Blow the C4
действительно
call.
помочили, действует как минимум полный взвод.
Сам по себе он взорваться не мог.
Что ты тут встал? Туши огонь!
Let them
Твою
pass.
мать, у меня там заначка была!
It worked. Let's move it.
Там кто-то есть?
Into the water, quick!
Ты работаешь по своей штуке? С парнем из Сингапура.
Ну да, только что впагрил ему партию чисто. Кто-то есть?
I think we ditched him. Yeah. These ruins should cross to the jungle. Then it's a straight shot to the Overwatch.
Обыщите местность!
Hold it!
За мной!
Hold your fire. Let's wait.
Не стой! Вперед!
Clear. Take the shot. Clear. Go. Contact.
Работай
Let's
со
take them
своим
same time.
спутником. С парнем мы...
Tango's down. Advancing. Go, go, go! Clear. Let's go. On the ground, stay low. Multiple tangos beneath us. We need to shift their attention before moving.
I got eyes on the truck's fuel tank. Should cause quite a racket.
Go for it. We're good to go. Don't engage them. They're playing into our hands.
Copy that.
Take the shot. Good kill. On the move. Sniper at the bell tower in the distance. He's got a good view. We need to get rid of him. Few scattered enemies around this area. Pick them off with your rifle. Use your binoculars to track them. Area clear.
Razor, uniform. Mission status.
Uniform, our backs are secure. Enemy forces are neutralized or preoccupied. Proceeding to rendezvous.
Solid copy.
Okay, Cole, this is my stop. I'll back up Keller and his men. You secure a good position on the church's bell tower. Good luck.
And to you.
Enemy boat inbound. Dive. Stay submerged. Let it pass. I'm in position at the west side of the train yard. Anderson, what's your ETA?
I'm topside, heading for the church entrance now. Reach the church, proceeding to the bell tower.
Okay. Won't hurt to swing a couple of Hail Marys our way while you're at it. That radar site seems to be heavily guarded.
I'll see what I can do. Anderson out. In position, set with a 50 cal. What's the game plan here?
This is Keller. I'll take point on this one. 3-2. Do you have visual on your position?
Roger, I see you.
Cover our advance up the hill. Cortez and Nichols, you're on me. Diaz, you're on lookout. Rest of you, secure this position for extraction. Anderson, keep our backs safe.
Roger. I'll try and save your boys some targets.
We got a hostile on the pier ahead of us. Weapons cold. Hold your fire. Let's wait. Support, we're behind the pier. Shoot the hostile. Package secure. Anderson, hostiles by the first hut on the shore. Don't engage them yet. Let's wait them out. Place your shots when their backs are turned to each other. We need to maintain concealment as long as possible. Nice shot. Tag the other one. Looking good. Keep it nice and quiet. Hostile to your left on the balcony. Next target. Shoot him before he raises an alarm. Anderson status.
Clear to proceed.
Affirmative. Diaz, you're on lookout. The bay has been secured. Moving to next checkpoint. Eyes all around your heads, people. Contact. Sniper in the tower. Bring him down before he spots the bodies on the pier.
The hell?
Enemy chopper! Cease fire! Cease fire! Anderson, you need to sit this one out. We're in a bad way if he spots us.
Acknowledged.
Let him go. Don't make a move on that damn tower. Just a little longer. Clear. Take the shot.
Tango down.
3 marks on the platform. We need to synchronize. Take the first shot. We'll clean the rest. Engaging. Nice work.
Area cleared.
Someone's coming. Hide. Patrol ahead. 2 men. Don't let him raise an alarm. Clear. Double time. 3-1, be advised. I have no visual on your 6 behind the buildings. Roger that. Ready to link up. Cole, I'm heading to them. Keep me covered.
Diaz, I got 2 tangos in your AO. First on the platform closer to you.
Something got his attention. Take him down quick.
You're clear.
Got it. 3 mobiles ahead. Hold off for now. Let's see what they do. Let's have a look. Weapons cold for now. Looks like they're having a chit-chat. Cut it off. Engaging. Okay, we're clear. Almost in position here. We need to clear out the rest of those hostiles. 2 targets blocking my route. Start picking them off when the patrolling sentry's back is turned.
Roger.
Damn. Thanks, man. Owe you a beer.
Hey, I'm gonna hold you to that.
I've linked up with our boys. We're getting ready to assault the radar. How copy? Sector clear. Go, go, go!
Good. Uploading our virus into their system shouldn't be a problem. Intel suggests most of the gear is post-Soviet in origin.
Roger. Target reached. Uploading the virus now. And done. Now this thing won't even pick up a meteor collision. Hold up. We have something here. Think you want to hear this.
Что будешь делать со шпионом?
Конечно, его нужно допросить, идиот. Отведи его в комнату босса рядом с вертолетной площадкой. С ним ничего не должно случиться, понял?
Да, сэр. Но я готов спорить. Если он попадет к телохранителю босса, то ему придется опять отмывать стены.
We need to relay this data to JSON. We'll keep you posted. Anderson, go ahead and continue towards the transaction site. 3-1 will clean up any stragglers and catch up via boat.